رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. You are watching Samuel Quran online classes. Today we will learn second part of Noorani Qaida first lesson. If you didn't watch our first lesson, please click on I button and watch it. If you want to read Quran online at home with live classes for kids and adults from qualified Quran tutors, visit now samuelquran.com and register for 3 days free trial classes. So today we will start from Ta. Let's start now.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
So there are 29 Arabic alphabets and today we will start from Ta. Let's start. Ta, 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 wa, 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 ain, ain. So the ain we pronounce from middle part of the throat. Please repeat after me. Ain, ain. Next. Ghain, ghain, ghain. Fa, fa. Please repeat after me. Fa, qaf, 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 kaf, kaf. Here we have a difference in qaf and kaf. The qaf with the dot one with the bold sound and the kaf with the light sound. So repeat again. Kaf. Next. Lam, lam. Mim, mim. Noon, noon, noon. Wow, wow. Ha, ha. Hamza, hamza. Yeah, yeah. So our first lesson is completed here. So please practice this whole lesson properly. And in next class, inshallah, we will start second lesson. So the second lesson name is Murakkabat, which means compound letters like joining letters. So inshallah, we will start in the next class these letters. Thank you for watching this video. If you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel Samuel Quran online classes, and don't forget to click on bell icon for all new videos. So inshallah we will meet in next class. Have a good day. Take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.